Hey guys, so I'm back out here at Breverty in Menifee. Gonna take a tour of some more of these model homes. This community is a master plan community, and they actually have 5 different sets of models, ranging from single story to 2-story, smaller homes to bigger homes. So let's go take a look at the last of the 5 model homes that they have out here. If there's any communities that you'd like me to go tour for you, drop me a note. Let me know where they are. I'll make my way out there and make some videos for you.